Good day, friends. The question often arises as to why we film abroad, why our videos, our kits, and our motors go there for testing. The Slavyanka project is international with partners and investors in many countries around the world. They are asking us, please bring it. We want to see it with our own eyes. 2 days ago, I was informed that an international exhibition took place in one of the countries. They showcased our innovative motor, which was created by the company Resurs. The president himself looked at this motor and listened to the information about the Slavyanka winding. He liked everything. Unfortunately, I wasn't there because I am still in China. But that doesn't change anything because the project is moving forward and our tests are taking place. Today I want to talk about the tests in Vladivostok. Why Vladivostok? Last year, people approached us with a request to test the motor in Vladivostok because the topic of ecology is well established and highly regarded there, and it is a significant concern for the local community. As much as we would like to, we must look in this direction. And nothing is better suited for eco-friendly water transport than electric motors. At this moment, it is important for the motors to be economical. And here is a company that is involved in tourism business. Look at what the matter is. That is indeed a healthy catamaran, carries a lot of people. These are tourists who move along the coastline of Amur Bay. And it is important for them to see something beautiful. That is, it is difficult to see beauty in the sea because it is far from the shore. All the beauty is concentrated along the coastline. There are beautiful grottos, there are scenic beaches that cannot be accessed from the land. And of course, it is very important to get as close as possible to such incredibly beautiful and awe-inspiring locations on a high-speed catamaran, then take a small boat and head to the shore to observe all this beauty and take photographs. And so, for such specific purposes, we sent the motor there. The tests have been conducted and are currently still ongoing. We already want to show and tell a bit more and explain in detail about how it all is going and provide further insights.
Good day, friends. Today we very successfully managed to test a boat motor produced in Russia by the company Resurs indeed. The main highlight and advantage of this motor is the engine. The electric motor is based on the combined winding technology Slavyanka. We strongly believe that the latest round of testing was indeed successful, and we will ask Alexander to kindly share his personal, detailed and comprehensive perspective on his feelings, features, and perhaps any shortcomings of this motor as it uses a conventional internal combustion engine for boating in the waters of Amur Bay around the scenic Ruski Island. And he already has his own definite opinion and definite impression about this motor.
Hello, dear friends. What can I say about this engine? I can say right away. It works quietly. The noise level is definitely very low compared to a two-stroke engine. I have a two-stroke 9.8 injector that also operates very quietly. You can cruise at the very lowest RPMs along the shore to enjoy our beautiful scenery, and that's the difference. However, it is low-powered and doesn't have a strong thrust. It lacks the aero battery compared to the two-stroke. And the most important thing about this engine is that it does not pollute nature. With a two-stroke engine, the exhaust gases come from the propeller, so a bit of oil and gasoline comes out if it doesn't completely burn off. Well, it's just an excellent engine for leisure. I think it's great. It's not really necessary to travel long distances, but cruising along the coastline is simply delightful. relaxation, a bit of fishing, it's just perfect. That's my impression. So it's up to you. You can choose. Some prefer electric, some prefer gasoline. That's how I see it.
And who cares about our nature? Because the main program, we believe, is that these engines, in addition to new technologies, also provide environmental protection, since there are no emissions, as you understand, neither oil nor fuel from this motor. I present to you the esteemed and visionary founder and leader of Corsar, the one and only who we turn to for help and support, testing boat electric motors with the innovative electric motor of Slavyanka technology.
We thoroughly tested these motors. We conducted extensive tests. It's a very good motor. It runs very well. It doesn't make noise at all. But there is a big downside. The battery. We do not have enough battery capacity. We are approaching the shore, and we need to take people to the shore, back, there, here, transport, ride. There is little capacity if it's the sea. As in this case, sometimes a wave can wash over. The battery must be waterproof. This is essential. The weight of the battery plays a role. Well, overall, in general, ecological sustainability comes first. No oil stains, no gasoline streaks, refueling. The battery needs further work. To be continued. We worked. Thank you.
Everything is great. There is a lot of interest. We are testing our motors not only abroad but also in Russia. Here is Vladivostok. There is another motor in the Krasnodar Krai. I can't seem to get there. I hope to arrive now and make it there. We will also test it there in the water on our boats and equipment that the fishermen use. That's it, friends. Now I can conclude my presentation. Stay tuned with us. Everything is great. Everything is wonderful. It started to rain and finally it has become a bit cooler. See you soon.